Hey everybody, I hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm going to compare Quicken Simplify and the Credit Karma. I'm going to tell you all the features of these two services and which one should you use. So let's start. So first start with the purpose and focus. So the Quicken Simplify application is a personal finance management app. It focuses on budgeting, expense tracking, and long-term financial planning, suitable for users looking for in-depth control over their cash flow and investment. On the other hand, Credit Karma primarily focus on credit monitoring, loan offers, and financial health insights. It's help its user to improve their credit score by recommending products such as credit cards, loan based on their financial profile. So the so if you want to use application for budgeting and saving, simplify, you can use the simplify. But if you want to use for credit score monitoring and product recommendation, you should use Credit Karma. So now let's move to the key features. So Quicken allow you to track your all your account such as your bank, credit card, loans, investment in one place. It's also allow you to real-time budgeting with alerts for spending alert and forecasting tools to track upcoming bills and subscription. So its goal is saving goal tracker. It also have saving goal trackers which you can use. And the Credit Karma is provide free credit reports and credit score tracking, identify theft monitoring, and product recommendations like loan and credit score to improve your scores. Tax filing services via cash app taxes, so you can also file your taxes. And let's now talk about their pricing. So now let's go to the pricing. As you can see that you have many plans from $3 up to also around $9 per month plan. So this is their plan. And for Credit Karma, it is 100% free. It's earned through affiliate commission on financial product recommendations. So the winner is Credit Karma. So if you want to use free free product, so you can use Credit Karma. But if you want to use premium services, you can use Quicken Simplify. Now let's talk about the user interface and experience. So Quicken Simplify offers a visual, pleasing and innovative dashboard with graphic and charts, just like you are seeing right here. So some user may find it overwhelming, but some user also find it very helpful. So it is totally depending on you. On the other hand, Credit Karma offers simple and straightforward, primarily focused on credit score and product offers, easier for beginners who just want to monitor their credit. So now let me tell you which one you should use. So Quicken Simplify is ideal for people who need in-depth budgeting, saving, planning, and complete financial management. So it is great for users who track multiple accounts and expensive. And the Credit Karma is best for those who want to monitor their credit score to get recommendation for loan and credit cards. It is useful if your primary goal is the credit health and identity protection. So that is the full review of Quicken Simplify and the Credit Karma. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.